sister I love. And the man I love too.
How could you discuss my private life with Beppe? Did you? Yes, you did. It was written all over his face just now. You said something then, did you? You can't! Unless I'm not drunken bitch!
Up to your standards, was it? Are
you ready to go then? Neville can't find a parking space. Lucky we were close by when you called, on our way to Masonic do.
Of course you were.
So come on then. What was it you were shouting at him about?
Doesn't matter.
Well, we can always put it on his death certificate. Cause of death, Cat Slater.
Hey, her name's Kathleen Moon. Linda, I know you're hurting. You've got no right to talk to her like that, okay?
I've got every... My dad just died.
So was mine.
He was always worried about you. Every time I spoke to him, some drama of yours weighed heavy on his mind.
Well, sorry my life ain't as boring as yours.
You never showed him any love. Stop it, you two.
He was everything to me when we were little. Before
what? Before Uncle Harry? That was 30 years ago, Cat. Aren't you over it yet?
You only turn up here when you want to rub the rest of our noses in it. What do you think you look like dressed like that? Turn old Nev on, does it? Flashing your bingo wings, your visible panty line.
Yeah, that's right. You belittle me. It doesn't alter who you are or what you've done.
Yeah? You want to ask her what she's done?
God, it's always someone else to blame, isn't it? Never you!
I just barred Gary from the cafe.
why? What's he done now?
I just don't like him, end of story.
You know, just because you and him are finished doesn't mean you can stop him from going places.
Watch me.
That's assuming that you are finished.
Oh, and what is that supposed to mean?
Well, look at me and Anthony. We're not together anymore. But you don't see me trying to run him out of Walford.
Oh, you've had that many ex-boyfriends. If you tried to do that, there'd be no Walford left, would there?
Get stuffed.
Yeah, well, you get stuffed and all.
Oh, by the way, Dad wants us all to go out for a nice friendly drink tonight. One big